Hello and welcome. Last time we did some work, we created a star door and a star wall, and I was on Windows and I had to mess with physics to get it to work. I don't like using Windows. I'm a Linux guy, and the physics under the viewer don't work very well. So here's a workaround, and this might help you with some of your other projects. So let's see here. I'm going to hide the star. We're not going to mess with the star. Oh, and by the way, I'm using Blender 3.0.0 stable. It's supposed to come out pretty soon with the new version of Blender. All right, so I want to go into wireframe mode and do a cut with the KCA options. And grab this guy, run him up here, left click, and then hit enter. And that will cut this guy, and then pick these vertices here and delete them. Now, I probably should close this hole, although I don't think it's too important. Go into object mode. I had trouble exporting it. I need to check on that, but I had trouble exporting in edit mode. So in object mode, and I'm going to save. And then we're going to do the export. Collada. Don't forget to pick the options here to do selection only. Export Collada. Down at the bottom it says one object exported. That's what we want. Now let's go over to Second Life. All right, here we are on Second Life. Go to build, upload, mesh model, open. Press the control key down. We can see it now. Still have to set the physics values. I'm going to just pick high, and we're done with the physics. So on Linux, calculate the weights, upload it, drag it down. Don't forget to change the type from there to prim. Now hit shift key and drag this over, and we make ourselves a copy. Now from up above, I want to do a rotate it. Here's a tip: if you rotate with the mouse pointer inside that outer white circle, you can pick any angle you want, but if you move it outside, it locks it into one of the tick marks there, which is what we want. Okay, now let's see, can we get through here? Hopefully we can. Yes, we can. We can walk through our door. All right, that's what I got for you this time. Thinking about one more to show you how to put a script into the door. Don't know when that'll be. All right, again, thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.